Hello students, welcome back. Let us start with the Heron's formula again. So this is the second video of Heron's formula. I have solved exercise 12.1 from NCERT. So this year I think some of the portion has been deleted. It's been there from since COVID only. Few questions have been deleted, but I'm going to take all these questions from exercise 2.12.2 also, so that you know more about Heron's formula. You can practice more. I'm taking only questions in which you have to use Heron's formula. So let us do them. So first, this is the example. Let's read it out. Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. Now, why this exercise has been deleted, let me just tell you, because one of the chapter, parallelogram, area of parallelogram has been deleted. So you need to know more about the properties of a parallelogram. We know that rhombus is a parallelogram and all its four sides are equal. Fine. And in a parallelogram, when we make diagonals, if you know that you have a parallelogram, okay, so in a parallelogram, a diagonal divides this parallelogram into two a triangles of equal areas. Okay, so it's a triangle 1, triangle 2. So both these triangles will have same area. Okay, because in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Let's say this is 10, this is 20, this is 20, this is 10, and let us say it is 30. Okay, so you see 20, 10, 30, it's a triangle with same dimensions. It's also a triangle with same dimensions. So both their areas will be same. Okay, so as this exercise is based on the properties of these quadrilaterals or parallelogram, so the exercise has been deleted because it is related to the other chapter. So, but many of you have done these properties in your previous grade, so let us just do this. Okay, so let's start, students. So Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of a rhombus. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops. She divided the land into two equal parts. Now equal parts you can see also here, 160, 100, 100, 100, 100. So this is triangle 1, this is triangle 2 over here. Now if the perimeter of the land is this much, one of the diagonal is this much, how much area each of them will get for their crops? Now students, here the figure is given to you. Suppose the figure is not given to you and they say that you have a rhombus. Let's say we make a rhombus. Okay. A, B, C, D. And then they say perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of rhombus is 400 meter. We know perimeter of a rhombus is 4 into side because all the sides are equal in a rhombus. They are all equal. So that's 400. So side you will get as 400 by 4, which is 100 meter. Clear how to get the side when perimeter is given for a rhombus? Then one of the diagonal is 160. So that's AC is equals to 160 centimeter. So this all is 100. This is how you get that 100. Clear, students? Now let us move to the next part. I have the dimensions. Let's find the area of one triangle only because it is divided into two equal parts. So the area of both the triangles will be equal and you have to calculate for each one of them. So area of one part, I'll say for triangle ABC, is equals to what formula you will use? Again the Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. What is my S over here? S I have not calculated. Let's just calculate S first. So S is semi-perimeter, which is what? Which is sum of all sides of the triangle divided by 2. So this is how much? This is 360 by 2, which is 180 meter. So I'll use S over here, 180, 180 minus 100, 180 minus 100 and 180 minus 160. I hope it's clear, students, still here. Then 180 I can write as 90 into 2, or you can write as 9 into 20. So that's 80 into 80 into 20. Better write it as 9 into 20 because I need 20 as a pair. 90 I'll change as 9 into 20. Now you know whenever you have a square root we look for pairs. 9 is 3 into 3. This is 20 into 20, 80 into 80. So I have pairs. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 20 into 20 is 20, and that will be 80. Clear? So what's the answer coming out to be? Multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 8s are 48, and there are 2 zeros. Done. So 4,800 meter square is the area each of them will get for their crops. Clear, students? I hope this question is very clear to you all. Now let us start few questions from exercise 12.2. Most of the questions are based on quadrilateral. So we will do that. We will be using Heron's formula only, but together with that, few of the properties of triangles, quadrilaterals we'll be using over here. Okay. Now let's draw the figure first. You have a park which is in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD. One of the angles C is 90°. So let's draw, C is there on BC. So let's draw BC first. So BC is 12 meter and you have a 90° angle on C. Fine. So this angle is 90°. Now with C I have D which is 5 meter, let us say. Then DA. I need DA also, and AB is 9. So you can make A like this and DA, let's make like this. Okay. So this AB is 9 meter and this DA is 8 meter. I hope this is clear. Now, it's a quadrilateral. How will I get triangle over here? Let us join BD. Let us join BD. Now, why I'm joining BD, not AC? Why? Because I can see a right angle triangle over here. Yes, I can see a right angle triangle. Using that right angle property, Pythagoras theorem, I can find out BD. Yeah, student, I can find out this. Okay, now let us see. First, I need BD. So let us calculate BD. So in triangle BDC, you know that BD square is equals to BC square plus DC square. That's using Pythagoras theorem. So BC is 12 square, DC is 5 square. So what will I get? 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25, which is 169. So that's BD square. So what will be BD then? Square root of 169, which is 13 meter. So I got my BD as 13 meter. Now I have two triangles, isn't it? So I can say that area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BDC. Now, if you see this, in ABD you have to use Heron's formula only, but in BDC I can use half into base into height because it's a right angle triangle. Base is there, height is there. Yeah, so let's calculate them. For ABD, now let's calculate first. So area of triangle ABD, I'll calculate here. So I need S for that. So S will be 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2 because the sides are 9, 8, 13. We add the sides and divide by 2 to get the semi-perimeter. So what is this? 9 plus 8 plus 13 by 2. So 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15 meter. Okay. So let's calculate the area using S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So how much will it be? Let me calculate it. Let's keep this question down because we need more space for this. So that's 15. 15 minus 9. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 13. So 15 into 15 minus 9 is 6. 7. That's 2. So let's make pairs. Pairs, how will I make? It's 3 into 5. 3 into 2. 7 and 2. So how many pairs I have? 3. 1 pair. 2. 1 pair. That will come out. 5 into 7. No pair. So we'll just multiply them. So what I'm getting is 6 root 35 meters square. That's the area of that triangle. Now, what's the area of triangle BDC? It will be half into BC into DC. I'll use that formula only. So half into, we'll get the same area if we use Heron's formula also. 12 into, what is DC? DC was 5. Cancel it out, it's 6. 6 into 5 is 30 meters square. I can either say that area of, now the area of whole ABCD is equals to 6 root 35 plus 30 meters square. You can write your answer as this way also, or you find square root of 35, get it in decimals, multiply it by 6 and add to 30. That is also the way. Fine, both the ways are correct. You will get marks in this also because it is not said that you need to calculate it, but let's just try doing it. What will it come out to be? So if we find square root of root 35, let's find out. So 5 5s are 25, you subtract, it's 10. You'll put decimal and get the two zeros down. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So which number you will go with? Will 9 work over here? Yeah. If I say 9 and 9, so 9 nines are 81, 8 and 9 81. Something 5.9 will come. Okay, students, so I'll just take it like that. So it'll be 6 into 5.9 meters square. So let's multiply. What is 6 into 5.9? 6 nines are 54. 5 carry over. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 5, 35. It's 35.4 meters square. So what will be the final area then? So you need to add 30 to that. So which comes out to be 65.4 meters square. Clear, students? I hope till here it is clear. Fine. Now let's move to the next question. Now next question is an easy question again. Simply all the things are given to us. So let us just draw the figure for this. We have a quadrilateral again ABCD in which all sides and one of the diagonal is given to us. So let's say let's start with AB. AB is 3 centimeter, BC little bigger 4 centimeter, CD is also 4 centimeter. Okay, and AD is how much? A little bigger coming, 5 centimeter, correct. And AC is also coming out to be 5 centimeter. So you have two triangles, you know it's easy to do. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. For both of them, I'll use Heron's formula separately and let's calculate. First, let's calculate area of triangle ADC. So same way, I'll use the formula and calculate S first. So S will be in the first case 5 plus 4 plus 5 by 2, which is 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 by 2 is 7 centimeter. So the area formula is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Let's substitute the values. 7, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 5 again. So I have 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. You see only one pair is there, which is 2. So 2 root 30, 21, sorry. Because it's 7 into 3, that is 21. I'll just erase and write neatly. So 3 into 7 is left over, so which is 21 centimeter square. Same case here also, I can either keep it like this or I have to find the root of 21. Clear, students? We can find the root of 21 same way. So here is that. So 21 below perfect square is what? It's 16. 4 fours are 16. Subtract, it's 5. You have to put decimal and 0 0 will come down. 448. So which number will it go with? Let go with 5, 525 or 6. Will 6 work? 6, 6, 36, 6, 6 are 48. No, we'll get a bigger number. So 5 I'll try. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 2 carry over. So 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. You subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. So again decimal is already there. I'll take it to over here. So what is 85 plus 85? 85 plus 5, sorry. So that's 90, or double of 45 is 90. So which number will work over here? Will 8 work over here? I think yes, because 8 times are 72. So that's 8. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry over. 8 9s are 72. I leave it over here because I got two places. Okay. I can use them. So it's 2 into 4.58, or I can directly say it as 4.6 also. What will I get? So it's 2 8s are 16, 1 carry over, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. Again 1 carry over, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. I got this. Clear? Now let's calculate the area of the third triangle. It's 5 4 3. Let's calculate. Area of triangle ABC. Same way I'll calculate the S for this. 5 plus 4 plus 3 by 2, which is 12 by 2, which is 6 centimeter. Now let's calculate using Heron's formula. So 6, I'm directly writing 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5. So what will it change to? 6 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 is also 6, so we have a pair of 6. Am I right? So the square root of 36 is 6 centimeter square. So what should be the final answer over here, students? We have to add them both. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to 9.16 plus 6 centimeter square, which is how much? Which is 15.16 centimeter square. I hope it is clear, students. Fine. Now let's move to the next question. Next question, I'll just keep this one down because we need space for this. Okay, let's solve this one. A rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. So one field, there are 18 cows to graze on that field. Okay, so let's draw a rhombus over here. Now each side of the rhombus is 30. We know that in a rhombus, let's name them A, B, C, D. All sides are equal, so it's 30 and 30. Another thing, longer diagonal, the longer one, I think AC is over here visible as longer only. That's given to you as this longer diagonal is how much? That's 48 meter. We need to get the area for each of the grass, each of the cow. Okay, not the total, we need for each cow. First, we need to obviously calculate the total. There are different ways of doing this. Now, you can either find another diagonal, okay, and calculate using half into d1 into d2. That is also the formula for rhombus. But I have this diagonal 48. Again, the diagonal is there. You have all the sides. Let's find the area of one triangle only. Triangle ABC. Okay. Because there are two triangles, they will have both same area. So let's find the area of triangle ABC. So for that, I'll calculate as first 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2. So how much is that? 60 and so it's 8 and 108 by 2. So what will you get? It's 54 centimeter. Sorry, not centimeter. 54 meter. Students, units you need to take care. Fine. Okay, that's meter only. Now, next thing is let's calculate the area using Heron's formula. So we have S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 54, 54 minus 30, again minus 30, 54 minus 48. Let's write 54 as it is. This much will be 24, 24, and this is 14 minus 8 is 6. That's it. Let's see if we get the pairs over here. We are definitely going to get, because 54 I know is 9 into 6. 6 is already there. And for 24 also we have pair. One pair, one pair. 9 also we know is 3 into 3. So we'll get 3, 6 and 24. So this is 18 into 24. Let's multiply. What is 18 into 24? Okay. So 8 fours are 32. 3 carry over. 8 twos are 16. 16 and 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. And then 2 carry over. So it's 432. Okay. So what we got as 432 meter square is the area of one triangle. Okay. So what's the area of rhombus? To get the area of rhombus, we need to add. It's 432 multiplied by 2 meter square, which is how much? 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 864 meters square. So area for one cow, there are total 18 cows, yeah? So 18 cows graze on graze on 864 meters square. So for one cow, it will be 864 divided by 18 meters square. So let's divide it. So when you divide it, 18 fours is 4, 8s are 32, 3 carry over 7, subtract 4, 1, 4. 18 words are 144, 18 8s are. Okay, that's 144. So it's 48 meter square is the area for each cow. Okay, students, I hope this question is also done. Now only these two questions are left. Let's just finish them faster. They are quite easy questions only. So let us see this question first. We have an umbrella. This umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces. How many pieces are there? 10 triangular pieces of cloth, two different colors. So if there are two different colors, so 5 pieces for each color. Okay, fine. So you need to get for 5 pieces different area. You just have to calculate for one triangle. Let's find the area of one triangular piece. Okay, again I'll use the same formula. So first we will calculate S, which will be equal to 20 plus 50 plus 50 by 2. I hope till now Heron's formula you people completely know. Yeah, that's 120 by 2, which is 60 centimeter. And students, don't just keep watching the video with me, keep solving, because maths is not about watching only videos or only reading the examples. The more you solve, the more you learn. Clear? So that 60 centimeter is our S. Let's go for the area. I'm writing the formula again and again in every question, yeah, so that you also write and you know that when you solve during your exam, it coming out neatly with everything over there. Okay, so 60 minus 20, 60 minus 50, and 60 minus 50. Fine. So what will you get from this? It's 60 into 40 into 10 into 10. Do I have a pair over here? I think, yeah, I can split it up. So 6 I can write as 6 into 10, then 4 also, 4 into 10, 60 I split 6 into 10, then 10 and 10. Now one 10 pair you have, one more 10 pair, and 4 you know is root 2, square root of 4 is 2. So I can simply write it as 2 comes out and 2 tens come out. Root 6 will remain here. So it's 200 root 6 centimeter square. That's for one triangular piece. Okay, fine. So for 5 triangular pieces, for 5 triangular pieces, what will be the area? 5 into 200 root 6 centimeter square. So what will that be, students? It will be 1000. It will be 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So for each color, how much cloth required? 1000 root 6 centimeter square, and for other color also 1000 root 6 centimeter square. I hope till here it's clear, students. Fine. Now let us move to the last question of this video. This is also again an easy thing. You have to again use this Heron's formula only. But here if you see, you have a pattern in which you have 16 tiles. Okay, all are similar. Find same tiles, so the area will be same for each of them. So first use Heron's formula, calculate the area of one tile multiplied by 16, then multiplied by this rate. It's 50 paisa. You can make it in rupees and calculate. Okay, let's do step by step. I'll first calculate as 9 plus 28 plus 35 by 2. How much is this? 8, 10, 5 is 13. 13 is 9 is 22. So 2 carry over. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 72 by 2 is 3 and 6, 36 centimeter. Clear? Now this is S. The area will be Again S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So S is 36, 36 minus 9, 36 minus 28, and 36 minus 35. Let's calculate it. 36 is 36, 36 minus 9 is how much? 16 minus 9 is 7, that's 27. 36 minus that is 8 only, and this is 1. So do I have pairs over here? Yeah, I do have. 36, you know, is 6 into 6. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 1, square root of 1 is 1 only. So I have pairs. This is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair. 6 will come out, 3 will come out, 2 will come out, but 3 into 2, 6 will remain inside centimeter square. So how much is this? This is 36 root 6 centimeter square. Students, clear? I can either calculate it using root 6 only, or you calculate what's the value of root 6. We can do it like that also. So 6 perfect square below 6 is 4. It's 2 2s are 4. Subtract, you'll get 2. Decimal, you put 0 0. Keep it down. So that's 2 plus 2, 4. 4. 4's, what you will use? 5. It will be bigger. 4 4. So 4 4s are 16. 1 carry over 7. 176. Subtract, so that's 4 and 2. Again, you can use these two zeros. Double it. It's 48. Now, which number we can use over here? Can 5 work over here? No. 5 might work, but it will be a bigger number. So let's go by 4 again. Yeah, I think it'll go by 4 again. 4 4s are 16. 1 carry over, 32, 3. So 3 carry over, 16. And 3 is 19. It will come this thing. Okay. So let's see the remainder. How much it is coming? 4. That's 9 6, and this is 13 4 64. Yeah, it's smaller than that only. Clear. So it's 2.44 coming out to be. So you can either use this 36 into 2.44 centimeter square, multiply it. So 244 into 36. How much is that? So 6 fours are 24. 2 carry over 24. 6 2 carry over 14. 3 fours are 12. 1 carry over 13. 1 carry over 7. So that's 4878. It's coming out to be 87.84 centimeter square. So that's the area of the triangle. One triangle. Okay, now we have 16 pieces. Okay, another way to do this was you just multiply this 36 root 6. So area of 16 tiles, you can, I'll write both the ways, 36 root 6 into 16 centimeter square, or 87.84 into 16 centimeter square. Fine. Okay, then it says you have to get what? You have to get cost. Cost of these 16 tiles. Cost of what? Polishing. Cost of polishing, I think. Yeah, polishing these 16 tiles. For one tile, it was 50 paisa. So 50 paisa is 50 by 100, which is 1 by 2 into 36 root 6 into 16 rupees. I will have to write it in rupees. So I can do it like that also. 8. Okay. It makes the calculation easy. 36 into 8 is how much? You multiply that first. So it's 8 6 are 48. 4 carry over. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 28. So it's either 288 root 6 rupees, or you've multiplied with this root 6 value. You will get the answer much earlier. Yeah, root 6 was 2.44. So 288, you can either take root 6 as 2.5 also if you take one place only, and multiply it by 25. Okay, that is the easier way to do. So let's get the answer from here. So 5 8s are 40, 4 carry over, 44, so 4 carry over again, so 14. 2 8s are 16, 1 17, 1 5, so 0 0 1 carry over. So how much is that? It was 12 and 1 carry over, so 6 7. It is coming out to be a 7200. Okay, so that's rupees. But this was 288 into I did 2.5. Okay, So the decimal will be here. So approximately I'm getting 720 rupees. That's my answer. If you multiply it over here also, yes students, you multiply it over here also, it was what? Into 16. So 87.84 into 16 into half rupees. Okay. So you cancel it with 8. You can multiply it with 8 also. Let's multiply it and get the answer over here also, because it's also simple number. This is up to you how you do your calculation and make it more faster. Okay. So 8 fours are 32. 3 carry over. 8 eights are 64. 64 plus 3 is how much? 64 plus 3 is 67. 6 carry over. 8 sevens are 56. 56 and 6. 56 and 6 is 62. So 6 carry over. 64. 70. It's coming as 702. A little different is coming. Maybe some mistake is there. Let's read multiply it. 8 fours are 32. So 3. So 8 eights are 64. 7 6. 8 sevens are 56. 56 and 6 is 62 only. Okay. And 8 eights are 64 and 6 is 70 only coming. So I think it's nearby only, but a little more variant is there. Yeah. Is there any mistake over here? 288 into 25. Let's cross check also. 25 I took, okay, here there is a lot of difference because here I took as 2.5 and here I took as 2.44. So that's a difference in that. That is why I'm getting this answer. So it's up to you what you take, students, to make it more easier. Okay, fine. I think this one is the more appropriate answer because I took it as 2.44. Okay. If you take it also as 2.4, it will be a little less and you will get the answer. Okay, students. So better to take as 2.4 also only, not 4.4, because it's going beyond that and you do not know if it is bigger than 4. So I should have taken it as 2.4 only. Okay. Fine, students. I hope this is clear. So please solve the questions. More important thing is calculations. While watching the video or by seeing the examples, your calculations will not be faster. You have to solve each and every question, solve most of the questions which have more calculations so that your calculation speed increases. Okay, fine, students. I hope this thing is understandable, that you need to practice, practice and practice. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come up with one more video on Heron's formula where we'll solve more examples of Heron's formula. Okay, till then, bye bye.